Truck Access Plus specializes in running boards and bed covers for your truck. When you visit our store, we're gonna have experts walk you through the products. We have a showroom where you can check out everything you see, and we get it done while you wait.
Here in our showroom, you'll be greeted by our sales team. We're gonna give you the best education on all of our covers. We carry Extang, Tuxedo, BAK Industries, Undercover. We also have a wide selection of steps including NFAB, and Research, SteelCraft. And we also are specialists in the cargo management accessories. We carry back racks, cargo glides, different Yakima systems, and we even carry swing cases here at our store. And come grab something to eat while you wait.
Here at Tortas Pecume, we have 6 Phoenix Valley locations. You can visit us and have the best tortas, tacos, fresas con crema, agua frescas, nieves, paletas, everything that we have to offer. Come and visit us. We look forward to seeing you.
While you're grabbing a tasty bite to eat next door, our team's busy in the back. Professional installers, making sure the products you chose are tuned to perfection the first time. You get full service when you come into our store. Family owned and operated since 1996. We're located on the corner of 26th Street and McDowell in Phoenix, Arizona. Visit us at Truck Access Plus.